Freshwater Fishing Novice's new viewers. I was editing my last video and I mentioned, if you watched it last Friday, that I noticed there was a lot of fish in here. And then for some reason, I left. Probably because of the thunderstorms. But I wanted to come back and try to pick this apart more and fish it a little bit more since there was a lot of fish in here. I've noticed it's a lot more shallow. It's like a foot and a half down from last week. Anyway, first step. This is a Oreo cookie covered in THC peanut butter. I got the Spro rat kind of in the field mouse size. This is a wake bait. Not sure if that's gonna do anything. I'll be able to work it slower. Something definitely liked it. Whew, I got my heart kicking. Since I wasn't able to cast the entire length of the tunnel, I had to come up the tunnel to cast. There we go. All right, he's good. Not a super tank, but he's a little guy. Let's send him back. That was enough time out of the water for him. All right, no skunk. Since smallies like to hang out together, I'm going to assume there's another one up there of the tunnel, just because I know the concrete heats up, so it holds water. There's another one. Oh, he kicked it. There's another one. That one feels better. Oh my God, the camera's in the way. Get in there. Woo. Come here, fishy. Got it. Sweet. No bad hook sets on these guys. Another little tank smallie. See ya. You just zip that way. Maybe back to the tunnel. I'm just gonna flip around on this paddleboard. Wonder what this looks like. Okay, it looks like that fish wanted it. That's what it looked like. Oh, missed him. Get in there, net skills. Okay. Whew. That was immediate. Holy smokes. All right, so losing the rear hook on that shad didn't affect me catching this fish. That is a smallie. Woo! That was a pretty good smallmouth. I didn't think I was going to catch. So I've decided that what I'm gonna do is, I fished this tunnel pretty heavily. So what I'm gonna do, I am gonna go downriver. Oh, I think that might be my lure. I'm gonna go downriver to the other tunnels and try to fish that and see what happens. I don't know what we learned in this video today.